to Joy Cooking Show. Today we have this recipe, eggplant and plantain. We call it bole. I'm gonna bake this plantain in the oven and make sauce out of this eggplant. So these are the ingredients: onions, pepper, and the eggplant and plantain. So we'll have some protein to eat later. Wash out and see how I will make this delicious food. Thanks for now, and please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show, and thanks you as you. Okay, this is the boiled eggplant, so it's time to start slicing it, and just rough chop it. You just have to chop everything very well. So this is it. Yeah, you can chop it in big sizes, but this one I'm just doing it to make it rough chop, so that you can soak all the ingredients I'm going to add to it. So this is it. It's ready now. What I will just do is to add it to the one I already chopped. So that is it, and this is the onions already chopped with the pepper. So wash out and see how I'm going to start preparing it now. So now it's frying time to make the eggplant stew. So first we add oil. So it's time to add the onion. When it starts turning brown, that's when we start adding the red ingredients. This is the onions now, already turned brown. So now we add the protein. There is eggs here and tripe. We just add everything. Well chopped tripe, and let everything start to cook before we start to add the eggplant. Okay, this is the protein. Everything is well cooked now. Now we add the eggplants. Eggplant, and the next now we add the pepper. So salt. Then the seasoning. Yes. Now we're going to let it cook for another 10 minutes. It's time to peel up the plantain. So the plantain is ready now. We're just gonna put them in the oven, but first we're just gonna slice them in two so that it will come out very well. Now, so this is the eggplant. It's cooked now, so just wait so that we can just serve it. This is the eggplant. Maybe tribe and eggs. So let's wait. So this is the plantain now. It's already roasted in the oven. It's now called bole. Now I want to serve it with the eggplant stew. So this is the eggplant stew. Just gonna serve it. So this is it. This is the plantain. So guys, thank you for viewing. This is delicious lunch for today. Thanks for now. Bye. And please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show. Bye for now.